Hi YouTube, it's Gare. Today I will be showing you how to perform a monthly smoke alarm test. For this video you need your smoke alarm system, obviously. This one happens to be a Signal Boy TrueSense. Don't know the model. Something to push the buttons if your smoke alarms are on the ceiling like mine. A PA system. And your fire department's contact information. If you have a monitored smoke alarm system like mine, if you only have local, you aren't going to need that. Oh, you will also need headphones. By the way, I've alerted my fire department, and it's time to start the test. But first, I need to alert the building occupants using the PA system. May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? We are now testing the smoke alarm system. Please ignore all notification devices. Thank you. Okay, speaker users, please lower the volume control on your speakers because this may be loud. This alarm will activate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This will be loud. Looks like the alarm just silenced. Alright, some time has passed. It's now time for the all clear signal. May I have your attention, please? The smoke alarm test has finished. Please return to normal operations. Repeating, the smoke alarm test is done. Please return to normal operations. And that concludes this video. Let me know if you want me to record more smoke alarm tests. Thank you. Goodbye. Please subscribe.